Hi, thanks for joining. We're going to make a DIY carpet deodorizer today. So let me go over the materials that you're going to need. First, you're going to want to have some sort of shaker that has a shaker lid, sort of like this. You can use an old empty Parmesan cheese shaker just like me if you would like to recycle, but make sure it is cleaned out thoroughly and dry before you get started. But you can find any kind of shaker anywhere else. You're gonna need some baking soda. I got mine here at Walmart, but you can find it wherever. You're gonna need some sort of fork or utensil to go ahead and stir up the carpet deodorizer. And then you're gonna need some of the essential oils that I have listed here. So the first one, Citrus Fresh, is going to be nice and clean smelling. And then Thieves is going to be also very clean smelling, and it is immune boosting as well. And then the next one we have is Purification. So Purification is going to be a distinctifier. So it'll distinct any smells that you have that are just not nice and not good at all. So you'll definitely want to add Purification. And then Peppermint is a bug deterrent. So this is great to add as well. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to take the top off of my Parmesan cheese shaker here, and then I'm going to fill up with about 2/3 of my baking soda. So I just cut my little hole out here, and I will fill this up about 2/3 of the way. This is super duper easy to make, and it's also very cheap. Okay, so that's probably about 2/3 there. Okay, perfect. So now what we're going to do is we are going to add in 5 drops of our essential oils, and then we will mix it all together. So like I said, we're going to add Citrus Fresh, 4, 5, Thieves, Purification, and Peppermint, one of my favorites. Perfect. So now I have 5 drops of each of those, and I'm going to take my fork and stir to declump all of those oils, because right now they're just sitting right there and they're really clumpy so far. So I'm just going to mix those in there and really get those clumps mixed up. Okay. And then once you think, it smells like heaven over here. Once you think those are mixed up very well, you want to thoroughly vacuum the room, making sure that you have gotten everything picked up off the floor, all that hair and all the stuff from coming in from outside on your shoes. So you'll want to make sure you do that. I'm going to go ahead and fill this up just a little bit more. Perfect. And then I'll put the lid right back on. So like I said, you want to go ahead and make sure you thoroughly vacuum your room, okay? And then you're going to sprinkle this whole bottle lightly to cover your carpet. So it's going to look like there's white everywhere on your carpet, and that is completely okay. You want to leave it set for 30 to 60 minutes, and then after that time frame, go ahead and vacuum it all up, and it's going to smell amazing. And your carpet is going to be even cleaner with this DIY carpet deodorizer. So thank you for joining me. Make sure you've got your materials here. You've got Peppermint, Citrus Fresh, Thieves, and Purification, along with your baking soda. Thank you for joining.